Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload music on Soundcloud using your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do is open your Soundcloud application and you have to be logged into your account. After you do that, as you can see at the top right corner of the page you have some icons right here, and you have to select the icon with the arrow right here that is heading upwards. I'm sorry, this is the one. Okay, so right here, as you can see, just a moment, because I'm redirected automatically to my gallery, but I don't want to go right now from on the gallery, and I want to go back. Okay, so basically you will see a form right here, but I'm redirected to my gallery, from which I have to select the song that I want to add. So let's say I go to my drive and I want to select one song from here, or maybe the download section. Just a moment. Okay, so right now I'm going to select the song that I want. Let's say this one. Okay, so after you select the song right here, as you can see, you can edit the title of the song, and you can put in whatever you want. Okay, after you do that, you can pick a genre for your music depending on what type of sound of music you are uploading. I'm just going to select one random. You can add a description, of course, to your song that you want to upload. You can change the description right here, and of course you have the option to make this track public if you want your track to be public or not. If you want it to be public, you can toggle off on this option. If not, you can toggle off. And of course, if you click on this image picture right here, you can change the picture of our song. And we can choose from the library or take a photo right now. So I have just selected this photo right here. So once you're done editing and filling in all these options right here, you can just hit the save button and you can upload this sound on your SoundCloud account. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.